To duplicate a page in a PDF file using Tenorshare PDNob, first open the PDF file using the PDNob application. For example, using this cover PDF file, I'll create a duplicate page. Then, go to the Page menu. Then, right-click the page you want to duplicate. Since there's only one page, I'll right-click the cover page. Then, select Duplicate. The duplicate page will automatically appear. To duplicate both cover pages, select both pages, right-click, and select Duplicate. The resulting page will be 2 pages long. You can edit the name of the cover page as needed, then save it. How easy is it? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.